Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a Wyoming LLC. First, you'll need to select a unique name for your business that complies with Wyoming state regulations. Next, designate a registered agent who has a physical address within Wyoming. This agent will receive legal and tax documents on behalf of your LLC. Finally, prepare and submit your articles of organization to the Wyoming Secretary of State, which officially forms your LLC. This initial step is crucial for establishing your business legally. After filing your articles, secure an Employer Identification Number, or EIN, from the IRS. This is essential for tax purposes, especially if you plan to hire employees or open a business bank account. Then, create a comprehensive operating agreement. This internal document defines your LLC's ownership, management, and operational procedures, preventing future disputes. Remember to also familiarize yourself with Wyoming's annual report requirements to ensure your LLC remains in good standing with the state. Once your LLC is officially formed, open a separate business bank account. This is vital for maintaining the liability protection an LLC offers and simplifies financial tracking. Research and obtain any specific state or local business licenses or permits required for your industry or location. Finally, understand your tax obligations, which may include federal income tax and potentially other state-specific taxes. Even though Wyoming has no state income tax for businesses, proper planning here saves time and money. To keep your Wyoming LLC compliant, consistently file your annual report with the Secretary of State before its due date. This ensures your business remains active and in good standing. Also, diligently maintain accurate records of all your business transactions, financial statements, and meeting minutes. This practice is crucial for legal and tax purposes. And speaking of staying on top of things, remember to stay hydrated throughout your busy day. Check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.